Look, it's obviously the first of these meetings that are going to be happening throughout the country. It's obviously a process in which people can engage with to get onto the ballot for the highest office in the country. I do believe, to be honest, that out of the 14 candidates that will be coming before us today, only 2 have actually made contact with me over the last number of weeks. 1 personally came to meet me and another councillor over the last number of weeks. The other 12, I have to be honest, I find it disrespectful in that they feel that they could potentially come here today, give a bit of a 5-minute presentation, and that should be enough for us as councillors to either pave the way for them to be on the ballot. I just think it shows that perhaps there's a lack of seriousness around the presidency, which I don't like. I think that anybody who's serious and who is really intent on putting themselves forward should have the opportunity to come before us today. But I just think it's too loose, if you ask me. It just seems that you can send in an email, say that I'm running for president, and if you're over the age of 35, you can come before the councillors here. We all have a job of work to do. We listen to the people here today, but I just don't think that an awful lot of these people are taking it serious in the manner in which it should be.